Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I am going to be doing the Ancestry DNA giveaway. So if you guys watched my last Ancestry DNA update, I told you guys that I wanted to do this Ancestry giveaway just to share this experience with someone else who was not able to get their hands on an Ancestry DNA kit yet. Yeah, I'm finally here giving you guys all the details on this giveaway, and also I finally hit 500 subscribers, so I thought why not do this giveaway as well to celebrate that. So yeah, I just want to thank you guys so much for joining my channel, for sticking with me if you've been here since the beginning or for the past few years. I know it's been up and down. I've been taking breaks and coming back, but this year I'm really trying to be way more consistent, so definitely make sure that you stay subscribed, and if you're not subscribed, definitely hit that subscribe button as well. So without further ado, let me tell you guys how you can win this Ancestry DNA kit. So the rules are very, very simple. First off, you guys need to make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and once you're subscribed, comment down below that you want to win. So just comment, I want to win. And I also want you guys to tell me why you want to win this Ancestry DNA kit. Let me know if it's because you just want to find out like your ancestry, or if you have like lost family members like I did and you want to find out who your family is and where you come from. Step number one, subscribe to this channel and leave a comment below saying I want to win and tell me why you want to win. So this contest is going to run until January 24th. And I'm uploading this on January 3rd, so that's 3 weeks. I'm giving you guys 3 weeks, let's say 9 p.m. Eastern time on January 24th. This contest will be closed, and I will be reaching out to the winner. I'm gonna select them randomly from the comment section. Also guys, if you want extra chances to win, make sure that you head over to my Instagram page, follow me there, and just leave a comment on the post that I will be posting for this contest saying that you want to win. And also you can have another chance to win if you head over to my Facebook page. So I will add all of your entries in that way and then choose someone randomly on the 24th. And I will let you guys know who the winner is on the Monday, which would be January 27th. So I will announce the winner on January 27th in that video for that day. And this contest is open to Canadians and Americans. So I'm just gonna send it out to a lucky person in Canada or the US. And you also have to be over 18 years old as well. So I guess that's it. That's all of the rules, guys. So this should be really easy to do. So again, a recap. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment below saying you want to win and tell me why. And for extra entries, you can follow me on Instagram and like my Facebook page, and my handles for those are both the same, Naomi Sarah, just like my YouTube name. So it should be really easy to follow me, but I will leave all of the information in the description box below. And with that being said, I wish you guys good luck. I hope that this will be a great thing for whoever wins. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one, and yeah, bye.
It's a fast race, it went last place.